You wanna be Americano, 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 but you were born in Italy. You try living alla moda, but when you drink whiskey soda, all you do is sing off key. You dance the rock and roll, you play the baseball, those cigarettes you smoke, leave a mama but oh, they should only make you choke. Wanna be Americano, 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 or you were born in Italy. Don't you know this ain't New York City? Okay, Napolita. I wanna be American, wanna be American. To a far Americano, 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 fíjate me quitó papá. Tu vivo la moda, así bevi whisky soda, o te sienti disturbar. Tu abbaiò rock and roll, tu gioca baseball, ma solo di pecamel, chi te li dà. La passetta di mamma, tu fare americano, americano, americano. Ma sei nato in Italia, certamente non c'è sta niente fa. Ok, Napolita, tu fare americano, tu fare americano. Whisky soda rock and roll, whisky soda rock and roll, whisky soda rock and roll.